today we're gonna be making our own slime. This is Slime Lab. Should we do it? Yes or no? I think everybody says yes. So let's begin. Woo! So let's open this up. We got the tiny little glue, very tiny. It's very, very tiny. If you can see, very tiny. Here's the glue, a spoon, this to make, okay, baking soda, and this stuff. So let's begin. Oh wait, forgot one thing. Checklist, or not the checklist, but how to make slime, I think. Yep, it says it right here. So, I got my bowl, a cup. So first it says you gotta pour the glue in first. So let's pour it in. Ah, there's something? Oh yeah, there's something to hold it. Okay, get it out. Ooh, now it's ready. Oh my God, do you hear those sounds? Ugh, get all of that glue out so it can have a lot of slime. Still going. Still going. Come on. I think this is to add the water. I have my water right here, so let's pour it in. Okay, now we gotta pour this stuff. Now I gotta pour baking soda. I don't think it's gonna work. I just hope, you know? Okay, poured it. And now let's add this stuff. Some plastic. Okay, got it out. Open it up. My God, which side? Okay, this side. It's hard to open. Sorry guys. Oh my God, this is my struggle. I'm struggling so much. Oh, you twist it. I'm so literally dumb. Put it in. I'm sorry guys, I'm so dumb. Okay, got that done. Now let's mix. Mix, mix, mix. I hope it turns slime. It's already turning. It's already turning so fast, right? Stir, 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 stir. My God, it's amazing. It's already slime. It's turning into slime, guys. It's nice yellow, like the sound. It's slime, guys. It's actual slime. Look, it's slime. Gotta keep mixing though. Yeah, I'm mixing, but it's slime. Oh my God, it's slime, guys. It's turning into slime. It's actually turning. Keep mixing, mix, oh, mix, oh, mix. Slime, guys. You hear the sound? I love the sound so much. I'm sorry, guys, misunderstanding, but it's actually turning. Look. Okay, guys, it's actually turning. I'm gonna mix it with my hands so it can be better. It's very nice. Just. I'm sorry, guys. My hands. Okay, let me keep on mixing, cause yeah. Keep mixing, mix, mix, mix. And I think it's done, guys. Guys, my slime is done. You can see. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, you hear that sound?
Okay.
Guys, so this was my slime. I hope you have a great day. Come back for tomorrow's vlog. Peace out.